Ever tried holding in a sneeze? It might feel polite, but it's seriously dangerous. That sudden force of air has nowhere to go, so it can rupture blood vessels, damage your ears, or even tear your throat. One man tore his esophagus doing it. Another popped blood vessels in his brain. Your body builds up pressure like a mini explosion. That sneeze is meant to launch irritants at over 100 km/h. Block it, and that energy goes inward into you. So next time you're about to sneeze, let it happen. Just maybe not in someone's face.